This is a national. As the country and globe at large gears up for World TB Day on the 24th of this month, health experts and industry stakeholders are pulling together to strengthen the fight against TB.
The incidence of tuberculosis is 427 people per 100,000 population. So every year we get just about that figure, which makes it to a total of 270,000 people getting tuberculosis. For example, for 2023, that's what happened. 270,000 people were sick with tuberculosis, and 56,000 of those succumbed to their tuberculosis. So this is a big problem. We still experience high mortality. Many people die from tuberculosis.
It's my call to action. Every single South African needs to be tested for TB, whether you are living with HIV or not. Families, index cases. So where your family member has got TB and you live in the same household, you need to get tested.
Approximately 1 out of 5 people with TB die in South Africa annually, and part of this could be linked to the missing TB patients, referring to people who have not tested but are suffering from TB.
They've been out in the community for months coughing, intermittently or continuously, and they've been transmitting to their near and loved ones as well. So it's really also a community responsibility to make sure that we can, if you know of someone that's coughing and it's not going away, you should be helping and taking them for care, because it actually protects you, protects your children, protects the people around you. So I think that's the one potential risk in terms of that delay. So the mortality is really driven largely by late diagnosis, and we're really trying to get people early into care. And the tests that we have are fantastic. They're cheap. I mean, they're technically free for public sector patients.
The health minister says millions will be tested through the End TB campaign.
We are trying to test 5 million people for TB. We're trying to do that. One member in this family has been tested for TB, is positive, whether on treatment or not, but we know that there is one member. Let's test the whole family. We are further going to test in communities that we know to be vulnerable. And we want to say, if you are HIV positive, allow us to test you for TB, because sometimes, most of the time, they go together.
Meanwhile, the minister has also appealed on the media to play its role in the fight against TB by ensuring credible and accurate reporting on TB-related incidents. They also hope that regular reports from the media can help with the awareness around testing, to encourage people to honor their treatment programs, but most importantly, to stop the stigma around TB. Patricia Fusage, SABC News in Sandton, Johannesburg.